Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I am on my vacation and I promise you that I'm going to show you guys the room that I stay in. So I am going to show you the room that they gave me as a solo traveler, because as a solo traveler sometimes it is a bit difficult, you know, when you like going alone on vacation. I have heard stories from my friends that they got like smaller rooms, and that the room that they got in, it was like super small and all the stuff. So I was super scared that I got like a small room as well. But they gave me this room, and this room, it's so big, and the bathroom is like, whoa. I have like a super big balcony, and I don't have like the ocean view, but I have the view on the garden and the whole room. Wow. And you know, I've been here just like for 1 day. It's actually my second day here, so it's for 2 days. I have already slept in this room for one night, and till now I'd be like, wow, the service here is like, wow. I am so impressed by the service of the Esencia de La Palma. I mean, like, they are so nice. They are so, you know, like everywhere where I look around me, they are cleaning. I mean, like, wow, that is a good sign. So yeah, you know what? I going to show you guys this room that I got as a solo traveler. So just have a look. This is what you see when you walk inside. So this is a little hallway here, and at the right there's a bathroom. Look at this. Look how nice this is. This mirror is like super big. I already put my stuff there. As you can see, I already put like everything there on this you know, the wash table here. It's pretty big. It's so big. And if you forget, for example, some stuff, shaving stuff, it's here. I don't know why they put it there, because I just didn't realize that. I use that, but I also bought one from home, but I just used that. They even have like a comb for your hair, toothbrushes, like you know, caps for where you don't feel like, you know, washing your hair. So it's so nice that they just put it here, because that is like, whoa. So you don't have to take this one from home, because they have it here. And if you look at there, yeah. So yes, this is just a small part of the bathroom. If we go here, this is my favorite part. Look, there's a bath. There's a bath in there. I mean, like, wow. Okay, then at this part we have the toilet. And here, look how big the shower is. Look how big. I just can't, this is like, I just walk in, take my shower, yay. Okay, so, well, this is the bathroom. So this is the room that I got at the Esencia de La Palma hotel. And I must say this room is so big. I'm so super happy about it. I got like all the space that I need. Even like got a little sofa as you saw. And this little TV, and there's also a corner where I can make some coffee and tea in the morning. And there's a drawer there as well. I already like put like my stuff in there, and I also put some clothes there already. So and this closet here, this is so big, it is so big. So yesterday when I came back from dinner and just walking a little bit around in the hotel, I started to organize a little bit here. So I unpacked my suitcase and I put everything in the closet. It was like hanging it all beautiful, just organize everything. And also what I really like about this hotel is that the safe is free. It is very simple how the safe works, because you just put like 4 numbers in there, you press enter, and then it will close. And when if you want to open it again, you press those 4 numbers again that you pressed out the first time, and then it will open. It's like super simple. And yeah, and the safe, it's actually free. I thought that I had to pay for it, but it's free. So yeah, it's like super chill. So yeah, this is the room tour of the Esencia de La Palma. This is a room that they give to solo travelers. This is the room that they give to, to people who are traveling alone and who just want like to come alone on vacation in this beautiful, beautiful resort. And they just give you like a beautiful room, like just like a room that they will also give like for 2 travelers. So if you are like traveling alone and you need like to get away from all the business of work and all those pressures and all those things, and you just need like to rest, and you just need like to do fun stuff with yourself and like reload yourself, just like relaxing and do not want to do anything. I mean, like till now I'm like super happy about it. I'm so happy about the choice that I made to travel alone to a new place, because I never have been to this island before, La Palma, and it's my first time, and it's breathtaking. Today I was talking like to the woman about, the woman that I've met here, that I've been hanging out with. I told her like this is like Eden, because while we were like at the pool, we were looking like up to these beautiful mountains, and it was green and so beautiful, and the sun was there, and we were like in this beautiful, relaxing and healthy environment. I think for me it's healthy to relax and to like just be in here. So yeah, so what I just trying to say is like, as a solo traveler, as a person who is traveling alone, and you just want like to reload yourself, relax yourself, be in a beautiful hotel room like this one. I mean, like, I got very lucky. I really got lucky. So I'm super happy about the hotel room that they gave me. And like I said again, this is the hotel room for a solo traveler at the Esencia de La Palma. This is what they gave me as a solo traveler. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and I hope that I've gave you the impression how this room in the Esencia de La Palma looks like for a solo traveler. For you who is traveling alone and just want to relax here in a beautiful resort. I hope that I have give you a good impression of how this room looks like. So yeah, I just going to take a shower now and relax a little bit in the room before I make myself ready for dinner. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye!